All right, go ahead. All right, Matt asked for an ice cold beer here. We're gonna launch it to him with the baseball launcher here. Coming your way, Matt. Dude, that is perfect. Perfect. Shaken, not stirred. Pitching machine for the win. Plugging and chugging. By far the heaviest load that I've ever had on the ramp truck. And man, I've got to admit, it's doing way better than I had imagined. Obviously you can tell it's a back road. Sorry about the wind noise. I got the air conditioning on here. But you can tell back road 50 mile an hour. There's probably 5,000 pounds on the trailer easily. And plus we've got the Subaru on the back of this thing. And it's definitely heavy. But plug and chug. We've got about another half hour, 45 minutes. And we'll be at the new warehouse. And we'll be about a half hour, 45 minutes, and we'll be at the warehouse. Come here. He's not a very good ball chaser. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I just want to give a quick update because a lot of people have been hitting me up on Instagram and TikTok asking me basically like where I've been and when am I going to get the next video out. So I decided I'd just go ahead and run off a quick little update video. As of right now, I'm 100% moved all of my parts. I got a fridge for up here, I got a couch for up here. I moved everything to basically make this as comfortable and as kind of like a shop as possible. So I'm gonna do a quick little rundown on everything. Again, I am completely moved in. You can see I got the C5 engine over here, got the Corvette, we got the Trans Am. You'll see the rest of everything very, very soon. But I've got the American flag hanging on the wall thanks to Anthem Wheels, who sponsored the Avalanche wheels way back in the day. So huge shout out to Anthem. Huge shout out to all my sponsors again. I know I said it in either the last video or previous, but huge shout out to all my sponsors that have worked with me to this point. From here on out, all we can do is go up, and I'm freaking excited about it. So, long story short, I want to give a huge shout out to Cameron, MudJunkie99. Definitely give him a huge shout out. Give him a follow on Instagram. He definitely helped me out tremendously the last 3 weeks with moving up here. It's not close. It is super far away. The people that have stopped here also, thank you. I really appreciate all you guys' support. But let me get set up, let me get moved in, and then you guys can kind of stop by from time to time. I'm not saying make it a daily thing, but the people that know where I'm at by now, you're welcome to stop by. Just not make it an everyday thing. Maybe once a month, you know, come by during the day, shoot the shit, hang out. But please, don't just show up here all the dang time. That's the only thing I ask about this place. I want it to be just a fun place that I can make videos. When my daughters are up here playing baseball and things like that, I don't really want a bunch of people just stopping up here hanging out with us. But I do appreciate the support. I love it, and I knew I couldn't go anywhere to hide, but appreciate everybody. Secondly, Trey came up. He helped me clear out the warehouse. Chandler came up, helped me clear out the warehouse. Two of my neighbors back at the house, they drastically helped me get things loaded up for me to drive up here. Unfortunately, again, it is a little bit of a drive. So they didn't drive up here to help me then unload the stuff, but again, Cameron was there, MudJunkie99, definitely follow him. He was there to be able to come up here. He drove his truck up here a couple times with stuff in it, loaded it. So huge, huge shout out to everybody that helped me get where I am. Sponsors, Rough Country, Blessed Performance, KC Turbo, the list goes on. Obviously Anthem Wheels, Michael Pro Tools. There's just a huge amount of people that I'm super grateful for that are part of our journey right now. And ProLift. ProLift was also another one. I'm super appreciative, and that's sort of why I'm making this quick little video for you guys so you can see the progress on the place. It's obviously all empty right now. Everything in here is mine except for some siding that's up on top of the storage area over here, but we'll get that moved out. But we did it, we're here. Tomorrow we actually have a lift that we're picking up. I wanted to get a 2-post first, but I came across a killer deal on a 4-post 16,000 pound lift. So we're gonna get that first, and it's gonna go about where the Trans Am and F350 is, probably right in the center. I still wanna leave room to get 2 cars on the other side, and that'll be a 4-post stackable lift right here. These 2 cars, when they're finished, will probably go on that. And then over here, I want to put in a 2-post lift and another 2-post lift. So I want to have 2 lifts right there, and then obviously the drive on 4-post lift. So without further ado, again, huge shout out to everybody that helped me get where I'm at today. I super appreciate it. Roll the footage, and hope you guys enjoy it. It's been a long 3 weeks, guys and girls. Go again. He's not a very good ball chaser. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Steve. We're just doing a huge little update video here for you guys. I've officially got all of my vehicles up here. The Jeep is actually parked outside. I've been driving that, the Grand Cherokee, but I've got my American flag hung up. Over here, we've got the Corvette engine over here, in the corner. We've got my toolbox over here that I'm actually in the process of organizing. I definitely had to take some things out of the drawers and everything. I actually left the key at the house, so I don't even have a key to open the toolbox or anything, but I did go ahead and get a new plier set because I believe I left them on the ramp of the ramp truck when I was running a load, so I lost a set of pliers. I just ran over. There was a True Value a little bit on the way here, so I just ran over and got that. Got our air compressor. That thing's over here. The other thing I did find was a huge snake skin. Not sure if you guys can see that there, but a gigantic, what appears to be a black snake. So it is what it is. I'm not terrified of snakes. I just don't really care for them. So they're gonna probably have to get some kind of snake repellent or something for in here. But as you can tell, we've got all of our vehicles in here. We've got plenty of room for more cars if I wanted to. Actually, the other day when I was here, I pulled the Jeep in straight here, and then Cameron pulled his Excursion in here to help me unload some stuff. So we have plenty of room to do more stuff with all the vehicles in here. Obviously, the ramp truck is 27 foot long, and then we've got our truck bed over here and our car trailer. So this place is way bigger than you guys think, and I'm not even jammed back against everything. There's plenty of room, but I went ahead, brought all the engines, all the transmissions, all the spare Jeep parts. I think I got like 3 sets of Jeep axles in here. I've got the transmission from the white car. I kept that only because I didn't want to have an issue later on down the road. So if I need a sensor or if I need a plug or a screw or anything for that car, I have the transmission already with us. I got my body stand, I got hoods, I got extra hoods, I got a C5 hood in there, just some stools. What's in there? There's a F350 and 450. The rear bumpers for both of these trucks are in there. The front bumper for this truck is actually in there. I got a set of 2017 mirrors for this truck in there. I was going to transfer those mirrors over, but I have 2 sets of like the factory mirrors. I have all the factory headlights, the grill, everything in the bed. So it looks like a little bit of a mess right now, but I'll go ahead and organize it. We'll get this shelf moved over here, and then I'll go ahead and run all my parts up over there. But just wanted to give you guys an update. We've got everything up here. Oh, I got a spare trailer axle up in there too. All my tires are actually going to be out back of the place. I'm not going to put them in here. But again, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown, quick little update of everything going on. Look forward to some videos coming very, very soon. If you didn't see the Jeep video, we blew the Jeep up, but that's just probably a quick half a day engine swap. That's going to take a little bit of a day to probably get figured out and button back up. F450 we're going to tear into very, very soon. I should actually tear into the F450 next. Stay tuned for that, or let me know in the comment section. Do you want to see the F450 go back together first, the Corvette back together first, or the F350? The F350, I believe, is just an IPR valve or IPR sensor that's going bad, but I just haven't had time to tear into it with moving the last 3 weeks, but it is what it is. But there you guys have it. That's just a quick little update. I'm going to play some footage that I have just laying around miscellaneously. I don't think this is going to be a 10-minute video, but I definitely appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me along the way and just sort of sticking with me. But this is it. Minus my Jeep Grand Cherokee, everything is in the warehouse, and we have plenty of room for shenanigans. I'm also going to go ahead and unload the Subaru. So take care, guys. Thanks for being patient, and we'll see you very, very soon in more uploads that will actually be more fun-filled. Plus, don't forget, we've got a lot of land out here. We can start doing some fun things. So take care. We'll see you in the next one.